A trip to Nathula from Gangtok usually takes a full day, which includes sightseeing around Nathula, mainly the Shomgo Lake and Baba Mandir. However, make sure vehicle you are traveling is from an authorized tour operator and approved by Sikkim government. Private cabs are not allowed in Nathula. To visit Canggu and Nathula, you have to come Gangtok first. It's a one-day excursion to Canggu Lake and Nathula from Gangtok. As the lake is located in a restricted area, it's essential for all Indians to obtain permits. In case of foreign nationals, special permit required. Only Indians with valid permit can visit Nathula Pass. Nathula Pass remain closed on Monday and Tuesday. To obtain permit, you have to go to the travelers in Gangtok. There is a lot of travel agencies in MG Marg. You have to submit valid ID proof and 2-copy passport size photo to get the permit. You can avail share cab or reserve cab for the excursion. Share cab cost is 900 to 1000 rupees per person and reserve cab will cost around 4000 to 5000 rupees for the whole excursion. Next day early morning reach Vajra stand for the excursion. The first destination will be Nathula Pass. It will take 2 hours to reach Nathula. Nathula is located on the border area of Sikkim and Tibet Autonomous Region in China. Height of Nathula is 4310 meter. It's located 54 km from Gangtok. The Indo-Chinese trade market operates from this place. Apart from this, Nathula is nothing less than paradise. In winter, the temperature remains -25 degrees Celsius. The summers are also cold, but travelers are allowed to visit in summer. You can see snow till April. After Nathula, move ahead to Baba Mandir or Baba Harvajan Singh Mandir, which is located further ahead on the same route. You will also find a Lord Shiva Mandir nearby with a beautiful waterfalls. On the way, one more attraction which has opened on the route is Hangu Lake. It's located between the checkpost and Baba Mandir at a distance of 50 km from Gangtok. About 10 km from Baba Mandir, you can also visit the old Baba Mandir. You have to ask your driver to take you to those places, as old Baba Mandir and Hangu Lake is not included in the packages. After this, the next spot will be Shomgo Lake, which is also known as Canggu Lake. It's a glacial lake of East Sikkim. It's located at an elevation of 3753 meter. The lake remains frozen during the winter season. The whole area is surrounded by steep mountains which are covered with snow. In summer, the blue water comes from the melting snow of the graceful mountains surrounding it. It's one of the most mesmerizing lakes near Gangtok. The lake is 40 km away from Gangtok. You can also enjoy the beauty of the place with yak ride. You can rent snow boots from Canggu itself. The best time to visit Nathula and Canggu is from March to October. Nathula remain closed during the rest of the months due to heavy snowfall. You may have breathing problems when you reach Nathula, so carry Diamox or Coca 30 to avoid breathing problems. Due to COVID-19, travel card is must to visit Sikkim. The link for travel card is given in the description box. Travelers are also requested to carry RT-PCR negative test report to enter Sikkim. I have given few hotels and reliable travel agencies name below in the description box. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back with next video soon. Stay safe, wear mask.